Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up buy and sell on Binance. First, you'll need to create and verify your Binance account, which is a crucial step for security and compliance. Once verified, you can fund your account using various methods, such as a bank transfer or a debit card. It's important to understand different order types like market, limit, and stop limit orders before you start trading. To buy cryptocurrency, simply navigate to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you can select the specific cryptocurrency you want to acquire, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the amount you wish to spend. After choosing your preferred payment method, such as a bank card or fiat balance, review all the transaction details carefully before confirming your purchase. Selling your cryptocurrency on Binance is just as straightforward. Head over to the Sell Crypto or Trade section in your account. You'll then specify which cryptocurrency you want to sell and the quantity. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, whether it's a bank transfer or another option, and carefully review the order before finalizing the sale. For more experienced traders, Binance offers advanced features like futures and options trading, allowing for more complex strategies. Always implement robust risk management, such as setting stop-loss orders to protect your investments. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, along with other great deals. Staying informed and managing risk are key to successful trading.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.